Last week we were talking about new meter boxes that the person who breached the electricity now is supposed to pay like 12,000 just to get a new meter box and whatsoever. And I'm gonna put it up. This is how the meter box look like. I mean, something like a power bank. What the 12K for that thing? You plug it on and then you insert the numbers, and then after you plug it off, you take it with you. I feel like it's like a power bank now. So literally, we're buying electricity in order to store it on a power bank, something that can charge your phone alone. I mean, I don't know. I want to know how did they come to a conclusion that whoever is not cooperating with this new system, these new laws, this is what they're telling us. They're telling us that they're trying to update the system, whatever the old meter box has expired, the number, whatever has elapsed. Why now? Have you realized that ESCOM is in debt? I don't know if it's the government but remember, there was a point where ESCOM used to be a monopoly. It used to be monopoly, like it used to be on its own, and then government intervened and turned it into an SOE, a state-owned entity or enterprise, some shit like that. The more any business gets in bed with the government, is the more its debt grows. And what I've realized is debts are another ways of increasing the economy. We need people to have debts in this world so that the economy can grow, so that the economy can be boosted. I'm like, what? So I'm supposed to be in debt so that... Do you know that having too much money on you, it breaks the economy? Like, so what do you want us to do? Put the money in the bank? Hell yeah. That's how the economy grows. But this is the system we're living in, right? This is the system we're living in, the system that we chose. We cannot really wipe away humanity, but currently, humanity feels like trash. People are selling their soul for a dime. Imagine that shit. It's absurd, man. Still talking about the new meter boxes. I wonder how they got to a conclusion of saying we need to pay 12,000. What? For a meter box, for something like this, something this size. Come on, 12K. That's some bullshit. And there's somebody who told me, who actually works at ESCOM. He told me that he can get anybody those boxes at a cheaper price because he got them. He's in charge. He's the one who's putting their details on the system. So even if you breached, he can do it for you. So fuck them with those 12Ks. I got somebody who can connect you at a cheaper price, because 12K, damn, you can buy a car. In South Africa, you can buy a second, third, fourth hand car. That's still massive. But I want to talk about something else. As I've mentioned, that humanity...
Trejo Tebugo from Turfloop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung